So remember, the main source are industries and when we burn something, because these two also they belong to industries. Okay. Then the next one, the next source for especially for the cities, they are the automobiles, the different type of vehicles which we have on the road. So remember, more or less most of the vehicles they either use petrol or they use diesels. So for the vehicles to run, that means to move, they need heat energy to help them work. So from where that heat energy come? It comes when the oxygen react with petrol or react with the diesels. So at the same time they release the heat which will help the vehicles to function properly. But side by side they also produce the other gases and also some other dust which make the air polluted. So whether it is a petrol or whether it is a diesel, or we may have even our stove at home where we use kerosene. Remember, along with the energy they also release a large amount of carbon monoxide in the form of gas, and also they release lead, nitrogen and sulfur oxide and hydrocarbon. So all this they mix up with the air and make the air dirty. So that is why the more vehicles we have on the road, as long as they are run by petrol and diesels, definitely the pollution of air also will be more. But if we can exchange, instead of using petrol and diesels, we can use electricity or solar, then only the pollution will be reduced. Okay. Then there are certain places the weather condition like temperature. So even the way the climate also of the region also affect the pollution, because see the way the condition of the place like temperature, I mean whether it's a hot area or cold area, then whether it is a place where there is wind or no wind, it is the wind is high or low, and even the geographical location, that means the place whether it is on the hill or is it a valley type or is it plain. Okay, even that also, and also in the presence of industries, that means in that particular village or that particular cities whether they have industries or not, even that also affect the air pollution. So there are certain kind of places you can see, like suppose, okay, where suppose there is a city like hilly region, especially the books say London, but forget about it, we have our own Delhi here, which is a hilly region. And then remember, in the morning they used to have lots of fog. I hope you know fog. It is a kind of cloud which is very near to the ground. Then also in that place around Delhi, as you know, there are many industries. So industries, what happen? They release lot of smoke. So these two together they combine and form another kind of substance which we call smoke. And this one become the air pollutant. So when the people breathe this smoke, it will cause respiratory problem. Respiratory problem means they will find difficult to breathe. So now the question come. Okay, corona also, when people suffer from coronavirus also, they find difficult to breathe. And now this air pollutant also make the people find difficult to breathe. So now you can see, right? Can we blame only corona, or is it also because of the air pollutant which is called smoke, which make the people suffer like what we are facing nowadays? Okay, this corona pandemic, and then we have like those crowded cities, okay, like Mumbai, Delhi, the corona cases is very high. So you can see, okay, we cannot blame corona completely. It may also be the case due to too much pollution of the air. So that means along with the pollution of the air, with the presence of corona, it makes the condition worse. Okay, those. So you see here. So there are certain kind of places where the smoke is found. So remember, I'll tell you what is smoke. It is a mixture of fog, that means the cloud which come very near to the ground, and also the smoke which come from the industries. So in that case, they combine to form smoke. It is found in London and England, and it may present in India itself also. Then how from where it comes, this one, it come from the smoke which comes out when they burn coal. Okay, they mix with the fog and then they form smoke. So you see what happened, this smoke, it create respiratory trouble. So that means when the people try to breathe, they find very difficult to breathe. Okay, so it is also one of the symptoms of coronavirus. So that is why when we think critically, okay, the situation which worsen the condition of the world, it may be not only due to corona, but it may be also due to air pollution. So that means the action of these two, air pollution along with corona, it makes the people suffer a lot. So it's high time for us to think, okay, how to stop air pollution in order to help to remove even the, that mean, so that we can return back into the normal life to avoid this present pandemic.